For around 10 US dollars, take a look what I found on internet. And what do you think? What is it? And also it's a DIY kit. It's a DIY calculator. One set DIY calculator electronic production kit LED digital tube display with shell single chip microcomputer soldering and practice. It looks pretty awesome and that's why I ordered it and of course I got it. Okay, let's see the surprise. Wow, a bunch of electronic components in a zip bag. And what is this? Nothing important. On the side, this is the case probably. Okay. Whoa, so many electronic components. Oh, we have stickers also. The 7-segment display. Here it is, the instruction manual. Pretty cool. Okay. Okay. The printer circuit board. And that's it. We're gonna have a fun time assembling this. I love DIY kits. They make me so happy and I want to assemble electronics. And the stickers looks awesome. We have the buzzer, the 7-segment display, the main part which is this microcontroller. It says 15W408AS. Okay, a bunch of push buttons, the microchip holder, and here it is, the very beautiful printed circuit board. And while we are at PCBs, let me tell you that today's sponsor of this video is JLCPCB. JLCPCB 6-layer PCBs are the real game changer for engineering efficiency. Instead of fighting to squeeze signals into a cramped 4-layer design, these boards offer 30 to 50% higher wiring density, making your routing cleaner and faster. And what is impressive is the high performance features you get no extra cost. We are talking free via in-pad technology and electroless nickel immersion gold finishes and 10% impedance control for rock solid signal integrity in high speed designs. It's a professional grade performance without the professional grade price. Ready to level up? JLCPCB make multi-layer design accessible for everyone. Click the link to grab a $30 coupon for your first order. You can get high precision 6-layer boards starting at just $2. Stop struggling with routing and start building. Visit JLCPCB today. So yes, you can order your PCB designs from JLCPCB and you will get this kind of quality. Okay, now it's time for assembling. And it's very nice that they are included in the kit, the schematic and with all parts. Beautiful. And I'm gonna start with soldering the microchip holder. Be careful on the mark. Go like all right. Adding the resistor. There is only one resistor and only one capacitor. Okay, and also we have the Type-C connector for powering the board. It goes like just right here. We're gonna add the battery holder. Whoa, where are you going? Okay, and the buzzer. Be careful on the positive sign. Alright, let's solder. Okay. Next we'll be adding the 7-segment displays. Also be careful on the sides. We have dots on the display. We have also dots marked right here. 1, 2. All right. Looking good. Next step is adding 17 push buttons. All 17 buttons are placed, and also in the kit they include one spare, which is nice. And now it's time to solder all buttons. Alright, I am almost finished. Looking good. Now I'm gonna place the microcontroller. Be careful on the mark. And you don't know how satisfying is adding the last component, which is the microchip. Next step is adding the stickers on the buttons, and I need to be be careful. Let me do it right here. Is it okay? Yes. 16 to go. As you can see, I prepare all the buttons and they are ready. Next step is the case, which is transparent plexiglass. Alright. And also we have some screws right here. Okay. And this is very satisfying. Ooh. Take a look at that piece. Alright, the next one. Beautiful. I love doing this. And take a look how it turned out. Pretty cool. What do you think? With that transparent case, this calculator, this DIY calculator that I made it and assembled, it's pretty amazing. I love it. It works with a coin battery, but also you can power it with a Type-C power adapter. And in 3, 2, 1. Doesn't work? Oh! Yes! Let's try it. Oh, some of the buttons are the zero was stuck. Okay, 3 times 3, 9. Okay, 55 times 6, 330. Wow. Okay, 1000 likes times 22. Wow, beautiful. And I love the beeping. All right, 55 minus 3, 22. All right, maybe you need to adjust some of the buttons, but never mind. It's working pretty awesome and it's looking good. Love it. Oh, you can search it online under this name, DIY kit calculator, and for around $10 you will get this kit and you can practice soldering and electronics. Awesome. I hope you liked today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. 65 plus 20, 85. Alright. 500 times 30 and beautiful. Okay.